Okay, everyone. Thank you. Uh, Let me start our presentation. Okay. 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 Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for joining in this session and uh, to see our presentation. Okay. Our paper title is Real-Time Monitoring of Bitcoin Price on Several Cryptocurrency Markets Using Web API, Telegram Bot, MySQL Database, and PHP Cronjob. My name is Rizky Parlika and my partner is Pratama Wirya Atmaja. Both of our uh, have teach in Department of Informatics in University Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Jawa Timur. Okay, next. Okay, this is our abstract. Various ways have been done by researchers from all over the world to predict the price of Bitcoin, which is the first digital commodity based on blockchain. Various forecasting and computational techniques have been widely applied and continue to be refined to find a prediction package that has the closest accuracy. Uh, the purpose of this research is to test hundreds of API data shared by hundreds of cryptocurrency markets, and as a result, we have succeeded in extracting the latest Bitcoin price data from 20 crypto markets via shared API. This data will then be stored in a MySQL database on hosting automatically when a condition is reached. This data can then be mined continuously using cron job. And to facilitate the reading of data that has been collected, we use a Telegram bot as well as using a web-based application. This step is expected to help in efforts to monitor Bitcoin price movements and predict future price movements. Okay, this is our introduction. Okay, various ways have been done to predict the price of Bitcoin, including using monitoring techniques of for high and low price movements, data mining, forecasting, and also intelligent computing. We conducted an experiment to monitor Bitcoin price by extracting data on Bitcoin price movement from several well-known exchanges markets that have been listed on CoinMarketCap. Uh, Here, we retrieve Bitcoin price movement data from the shared API provided by several stock exchanges that provide an easy API for us for us to code with PHP, JavaScript, and HTML-based programming. Not all of these marketplaces present their API with an easy-to-read method, so we only selected a few exchanges from the hundreds of markets listed on CoinMarketCap. To make an application that is able to predict where the Bitcoin price will be in each crypto market, of course, the first foundation is to successfully code from the share API to the latest price data that can be presented more easily. Here, we want to contribute in the form of API reading arrangement instruction that can be coded in the order we show in the table. This will make it easier for programmers to develop into a price movement prediction indicator application. This is that literature review, Bitcoin overview. Bitcoin is now a blockchain-based commodity with the largest market capitalization based on the coin market cap page. And then Bitcoin has been widely researched since its first appearance in Satoshi Nakamoto's paper. There have been many research studies on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that can be found on the Web of Science and Science Direct database, both in terms of concept introduction, price movements, volatility, relationship with various financial indicators, determinants of Bitcoin movement, level of use, regulation, and time. Ahead of its development and adaptation, even Bitcoin price movement have been able to affect sentiment in various comments on social media, such as Twitter. Positive comments from netizens, especially big world figures, who are big figures in the blockchain and cryptocurrency fields, world leaders and big entrepreneurs are able to drive Bitcoin price higher. Great attention from the world community has also made Bitcoin has colored various areas of life such as the economy, technology, and government related to various regulations that will be applied to Bitcoin. Some of the users' motivation for owning Bitcoin, such as the revolution in the financial system, individual empowerment, and the perception of the real value of Bitcoin, cause a high level of participation in the sustainability of the Bitcoin community. Ownership in Bitcoin digital wallet is anonymous, so we can really know who plays a big role in moving the Bitcoin price. So the two movement data that appears to the public is general, so predicting its movements requires deepening steps of the data that has been mined. And then uh, Bitcoin volatility. Bitcoin's price movement produce data that is difficult to understand in simple terms. For that, we need a more concise and simple way of presenting data. This data can be collected and then processed using the concept of Bayesian regression, data mining, LSTM, a neural network, machine learning, and deep learning. Bitcoin's volatility caused by fast trading of Bitcoin in the market where buy and sell orders meet to form the final price in very interesting to predict. So it can be guessed how big the chance of the next increase or decrease in Bitcoin price. Monitoring daily price movements to detect volatility, which is intended to gain daily profits. Okay, prediction of Bitcoin price movement. Various techniques and methods have been developed to predict the next steps of the Bitcoin price movement. There are researchers who try to get patterns and trends by analyzing the existence of events and their coincidences with the reading of trading indicators, both technical and fundamental sides. To be able to make accurate prediction, of course, real data is needed from the value of Bitcoin from time to time, trends that are being experienced, and patterns that affect the movement of the value of Bitcoin. Next. Okay, this is our research methodology. For the first, we sorting out several Bitcoin exchange market that provide easy access to web API services. Second, and we encoding the web API in JSON from and then into a browser display that is easier to read using PHP CURL. And then encoding the web API into a Bitcoin monitoring application based on charts and supporting indicators such as moving average. So we could moving average indicators into an application. Fourth, encoding the web API using PHP, JavaScript, and HTML so that it can display and store Bitcoin price data into the MySQL database and combine it with the cron job service so that it can save data automatically. And the last five, code the web API so that it can be accessed via Telegram using the bot service. Okay. Okay. This is in table one API structure. In total, we have code 20 Bitcoin exchange markets with PHP CURL to read the JSON API shared by each market. In this step, we find that there are some differences in the order of accessing the latest Bitcoin price data in each market. In addition, there were also several pair variants of Bitcoin with the BTC code, namely paired with USDT and others. To make it easier to read the differences in datasets, see table 1. This is table 1. Okay, next. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, next. After API structure, and then we go to our results and discussion. Okay, this is a one of 20 markets named TTEX. Example of the TTEX API as a crypto market. Here is a link from the TIDEX market on CMC, coinmarketcap.com, exchange TTEX. The page is ttex.com and the API page is ttex.com/services/IP specification, which when the API structure is accessed, using Firefox, the data structure will appear as shown in figure 1, like this. And then with the JSON structure as shown in figure 1, if it is coded with PHP CURL, then the main code snippet is like in the first code, like this. Okay, and then which when fully encoded will appear as shown in figure 2, like this. Now we see better than before. Okay, more easier easier to read. Okay, next. Okay, price movement chart application using the web API. Using standard web programming language such as a combination of HTML, PHP, and JavaScript, we create applications that can monitor Bitcoin real-time movements on several selected time frames from the BitBox and Coinex and exchange market as examples. Okay, this is chart to help monitors the Bitcoin price. And we got this from API from Coinex. And then on the chart shown in figure 3 and 4, we see the implementation of indicators such as double moving average. Yeah, like this, double moving average and stochastic, which can provide short decision support when or where to buy the best. Okay, next. Price movement charts application using Telegram bots. Using standard web programming language such as combination of HTML, PHP, and JavaScript to control the web API so that it can display a selection of results on Telegram. We created an sorry. Telegram. We created a Telegram bot-based with application that can monitor real-time Bitcoin movements on the Binance Exchange market as an example. So in Telegram, will shown like this in figure 5. From figure 5, we see when given the command coins, it will display all the pairs that have been programmed. Then if we choose one pair, all the coins or tokens registered in pair will be displayed. For example, we choose the BTC USDT pair on the Binance Exchange market. Okay, next. Price movement charts application using Telegram bots. We continue it. Furthermore, as shown in figure 6, when you click the BTC USDT pair option, it will automatically call an order to display details of the price movement on the BTC USDT pair. Okay, next. Price movement chart application using MySQL database and PHP cron job. Sometimes for the sake of mining data into a dataset, we can take advantage of the cron job service to continue storing Bitcoin movements data simultaneously with certain criteria that must be met first, and then the data will be stored in the MySQL database. For example, we will use the API provided by the Indodax Exchange market to mine the BTC IDR price movement data, which will automatically store the BTC IDR price into the MySQL database every 10 seconds like this. Okay, next. Okay. Uh, as for the example of displaying data that has been successful mined automatically using cron job and store it in the MySQL database, it will look like in figure 7. And the current display of the BTC IDR price monitoring application can be seen in figure 8. Okay. So that the application can continue to store data automatically even though no one accesses the application directly through the browser. It is necessary to do a cron job setting so that it continues to execute this application at a certain time span continuously. By using the web API, future research can also explore various activities on the Bitcoin blockchain. The influence of social media sentiment on Bitcoin price movement and the relationship between the majority of information shares on interest in the development and movement of Bitcoin so that it becomes a signal of how much enthusiasm the public can trigger price movements and adaptation to use of Bitcoin. Okay, next. uh, the last one, conclusion. So, or we have five conclusion. For first, web APIs provided by various Bitcoin exchange markets are a basic requirement for further development of monitoring applications. The result of grouping the API reading order into 20 exchange markets above will greatly facilitate programmers in building indicator application to predict price movements. By using web-based programming language such as PHP, JavaScript, and HTML, we can develop third-party applications that are able to read data shared via the web API. By using the Telegram bot, the results of managing the web API will be able to be displayed more quickly and real time without having to open the original page directly. And the last one, by using a combination of the MySQL database and the cron job service as a complement, we can collect data automatically and continuously and then become a data set. Okay, this is our reference. We have 37 references. Okay, okay. Thank you for join our discussion. Uh, I am Rizky Parlika. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.